Rad Hole Music, King Beat, back at you once again. Some more real shit. You heard?
When the rain falls and the sun will set, it's kinda hard now to cope with you gone now. And that I respect. Tonight I might do something that I regret, that I regret, that I regret. Tonight I might do something that I regret, that I regret.
Shit's getting hard, the water's getting deep. At night I can't sleep, on the grind gotta eat. Nowadays people talking cheap, so I don't listen. Living life on a mission, trying to bring my vision to life. Every day is a fight, gotta keep my game tight. Watching everything in sight, being polite, so I can sense an attitude. I advise you not to be rude, I just might go my cool. Never know what I would do if you force my hand. Understand, I am not playing, I am only a man. Never scared to take a stand, I ain't never ran, never will I run. Living life just to have fun, I gotta raise my son.
And the sun will set. It's kinda hard now to cope with you gone now. That I respect. Tonight I might do something that I regret, that I regret, that I regret. Tonight I might do something that I regret, that I regret.
Gotta raise my son, living life for fun. Standing on my feet no matter what the situation. Let the haters keep me hating. I'ma keep paper chasing, never wait for a thing till I go and get it. Fuck those who are not with it. This is my life, gotta live it. This is real shit, I know you feel it. Every time I spit it, it's vivid. Clear pictures I paint. Always stand before I speak your reek with your sword. Can I get an encore? Real niggas to the floor, put your drinks up. Rest in peace, Big Nut. This a toast for you. You the one taught me how to keep it true. That I will always do. Much love to the crew.
And the sun will set. It's kinda hard now to cope with you gone now. That I respect. Tonight I might do something that